Alright, here's my stash number 2, the quick pick grab. Went to the store, grabbed a few items. These a couple items free, little pop rockets. Grizzly snaps, Great Grizzly. Got the punk sticks. Grabbed 3 more Legend 100 shot Vanilla Barrage. They even come in a new stand now. It's by Legend Fireworks. I did grab another Skull Crusher Noel. You gotta check these out by Mega Banger. Little items count too. Look, you gotta love your little items. Flying Ground Bloom by Shogun. These neat right here. They take off with like a little whistle. They fly real high. Of course, these M800s. These things loud right here. Got different packs. I got 336 packs. I got a 72 pack. And they also come in a 12-piece pack. Right here. Of course, got to have my torpedoes. Little snaps. And show you what they look like. Throw them on the ground. Pretty loud for what they are. You got to have fun with your small stuff. Got Red Dam. Little 5-shot. USA Firework. Got 3 of those. Got Poison. 7 shots. Got 5 of those. My last video I had a whole bunch of them. These are actually the new ones, so altogether I probably got maybe 12. Picked up some more Wild Horses. And 9 shots USA. Time Bomb by USA. These were buy one get one free, so I got 4 by Hot Fireworks. Zombie Prom. Got another Neighbor from Hell, so I have 2 to let off. You know, as I told y'all before, I don't really do rockets, but I'm trying to find new rockets. But Legend Fireworks, Screaming Rockets. I looked at the demo for these. They pretty good. Got 2 more packs of the Saturn missiles. 425 shots. Never tried these, but I looked up the review. Looked at the videos on YouTube. Double Dragon by Winter Fireworks, 6-inch double brakes. Ready to shoot them off, see what they do. Of course, I had to get me another rocket launcher. Somebody got my other one. Another Fireworks guy told me to try out. The Explorer. Got 2 packs of those. Don't have the other stuff in the video because my brother is bringing me the other ones that he purchased for me. Had him to pick something up, so they on the way. So it's more rockets and some more buy one get one frees, but it's stash number 2. Just a quick grab. Going back to get the big stuff. It's about the biggest in this grab. But I look at the reviews of that. Skull Crusher by Mega Banger. You'll like that. 2-inch Noel. Real good. Real good. So I'm with 2 of those. I do have more of these rockets on the way. I'm just waiting for my brother to bring them to me. These right here. I'm telling you, they're like a shell and a rocket. But yeah, I showed it in the last video, but I got more on the way. We're going to get the big stuff in about a week or two. So, but you gotta appreciate the smaller stuff. I love this stuff. These are fun. Gotta check them out whenever you get a chance. Shout out to Will Jesus One, Cody B Pyro. I watch them two the most. Starting to watch more Pyros too. But them who I watch the most. So shout out to them. And if you ever in the Carolinas, stop at Jabs Fireworks. They got some good stuff. Real huge new store. Real, it's like huge. They got more stuff in, new stuff in. But we'll be heading back in about a week or two. I'm out.